Hello students, as per demand of so many students, I have already uploaded 2 video of ISC Mathematics class 12 and class 11. Now this is the third video in which we will study that how much part of previous syllabus is reduced in the present syllabus for the students who are going to appear in 2021 board examination in class 10th. Now, as a whole, if we observe, then the class 10 ICSE mathematics syllabus is divided into 7 units. First unit, commercial mathematics. Second unit, algebra. Third one, geometry. Fourth one, mensuration. Fifth one, trigonometry. Sixth one, statistics. And seventh, probability. From these 7 units, there are certain chapters in each unit. In the first, that is in commercial mathematics, there were 3 chapters: goods and service tax, banking, and shares and dividend. As a whole, from goods and service tax, nothing is excluded from the previous syllabus. It means all the topics will remain as it is in the previous syllabus. In the chapter banking, nothing is excluded from the previous syllabus. As we are concerned about this shares and dividend, this chapter completely excluded from the previous syllabus. Now the students will not find any question from shares and dividend in the board examination. Now come on the second unit, that is algebra. In this second unit, there are 7 chapters: linear inequations, quadratic equations, ratio proportion, factorization, matrices, arithmetic progression, and coordinate geometry. As in the first chapter, linear inequation, nothing is excluded from the previous syllabus. In the second chapter, quadratic equation, nothing is excluded. All the subtopics will remain as it was in the previous syllabus. In the third one, ratio and proportion, only one topic, that is direct simple applications on proportions only, excluded from the previous syllabus. This is the only topic which is excluded. Now fourth one, that is factorization, nothing is excluded from factorization. In matrices also, in the next chapter matrices, nothing excluded from the previous syllabus. But in case of arithmetic progression and geometric progression, now the student who are going to appear in 2021 board examination will not find any question from geometric progression. Geometric progression excluded entirely from the previous syllabus, and simple applications excluded from the arithmetic progression also. It means only arithmetic progression will be there, and simple application regarding arithmetic progression will not be there. As 7th chapter from algebra, coordinate geometry, nothing is excluded from coordinate geometry. Now the third topic, that is third unit, geometry. In geometry, we are getting 4 chapters: similarity, loci, circles, and constructions. As far as we are concerned about similarity, in similarity, 2 topics excluded from the previous syllabus. First one, as a size transformation Second one, direct applications based on maps and models. Though this was very important question and frequently asked in board examination, but this time the students will not get the question based on maps and models. Now second chapter in geometry loci is completely excluded from the previous syllabus. It means this chapter will not find in the reduced syllabus. This is completely excluded. I am telling you again and again the name of those chapters which is excluded completely from the syllabus. Now the third one, circles. In circles, 3 topics are excluded from the previous syllabus. First one, if 2 circles, actually there are 5 topics here in tangent property. From those 3 topics excluded, first one, if 2 circles touch, the point of contact lies on a straight line joining their centers. Second one, if 2 chords intersect internally or externally, then product of the lengths of the segments are equal. This is excluded. And the third one, if a chord and a tangent intersect externally, then the product of the lengths of the segments of the chord is equal to the square of the lengths of the tangent from the point of contact to the point of intersection. This statement, actually this is in the statement form and that is why it looks lengthy, but these 3 subtopics excluded from the chapter circle. And as we are concerned about 4th chapter of geometry, that is construction, in construction all the topics will remain there in the reduced syllabus. Nothing is excluded from the previous syllabus. Now 4th chapter, 4th unit, that is trigonometry. Nothing excluded from this unit, trigonometry. Though 4 more units left, and in all these units nothing excluded. I am taking just name of these units, that is 5th unit, mensuration. In mensuration also nothing excluded. Each topics will remain same. In 6th unit, statistics, also nothing excluded. You will find all the things same as in the previous syllabus. And in the last unit, probability, also nothing excluded from the previous syllabus. And it means in all these 4 units nothing excluded, means certain topics excluded in first 3 units only, not in the last 4. It is all about comparative study of ICSE Mathematics class 10 reduced syllabus with previous syllabus. Hope all of you understood this study. You can download PDF from the link in the description. Thank you.